There's been another incident of molestation at Banaswadi police station. A girl was molested by two people on scooter. The accused pulled the t-shirt of the girl. She was going to gym and there were two people on a scooter who tried to molest her. The two accused, Nanda and Amin alias Mubarak, were arrested. The scooter has been seized as well. My colleague Rohini now getting us more details on this story. Now, Rohini, as we talk about the story, there's been another kidnapping attempt that's come to light from Bengaluru 2 weeks ago. 21-year-old HR professional was waiting to take an elevator to the 4th floor of a building when a man grabbed her from behind and attempted to kidnap her. So, two cases, once again raising serious questions on women's safety in the IT capital of India. We'll try and connect with Rohini, but after the New Year's Eve mass molestation, Kamanahalli molestation case as well, now another case of molestation coming to light from Bengaluru in Banaswadi police station. Although the accused were arrested on the spot, there's a kidnapping attempt that's also come to light from Bengaluru 2 weeks ago. A 21-year-old HR professional who was waiting to take an elevator to the 4th floor of a building when a man grabbed her from behind and attempted to kidnap her. She held on the grill of the elevator and managed to save herself. No arrest being made in that case. But both the cases just showing that how crime is increasing and the Siddaramaiah government now needs to act tough. Is Siddaramaiah government losing grip when it comes to women's safety in the city as well, being questioned as one after the other these cases are coming to light. Interestingly, we're also waiting for the cops' version on the kidnapping case that's come to light from Bengaluru, where a 21-year-old HR professional fought back the accused in the case. My colleague Rohini is with us. So Rohini, take us through what's been the development first in the Bengaluru kidnapping case as the accused is on the run.
Well, what has happened is, according to the victim, is that she was returning home between 1:30 and 1:45 a.m. and she was waiting for her lift because her PG does have a lift and she was living on the 4th floor. And while she was waiting for that, the accused jumped on her, gagged her and tried to lift her and put her on his shoulders and run away. But she kept screaming, and what also we are given to understand is she held on very hard to the bars of the iron bars of the lift, and that is why she dislodged herself. But at the same time, he robbed her of 26,000 rupees as well as the mobile phone that she was carrying. But she yelled for help. But at that point of time, only some people who were there, just because she was helping, and looked out that he ran away. Now what is happening is she went to file an FIR. FIR has been registered, but the police are scoring through and trying to figure out through the CCTV cameras whether they can identify the accused. As of now, no arrests have taken place.
All right, Ronnie, thanks for joining us with all those details. One after the other, shocking cases coming in from Bengaluru, the IT capital of India. Law and order being a serious question there.